Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the camera timer on this device. First, let's open the camera app on our phone. So let's tap on this icon right here. In the camera app, tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called countdown duration and tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select. Off means that the timer is turned off. 3 seconds, it will be on the 3 seconds timer, and 10 seconds, it's gonna be on the 10 seconds timer. Select the option you like, and now you can close the settings. So we can press on the back button. And now when I press the shutter button to take the picture, it's gonna count down 10 seconds, and then it's gonna take the picture after the countdown is done. Like this. And to disable the timer, simply open the settings again, select the countdown duration, tap on off. And now you can take the pictures without the countdown, like this. And that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.